welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed, and today on our food adventure, we're going to Mumbai for some delicious Chinese Bhel. Bhel puri is famous all over India. It's a stellar combination of puffed rice, save, boiled potato. We have some nuts thrown in there, coriander, and it's finished off with a combination of chutneys, red, green, and tamarind. Now this is a Chinese version. Chinese immigrants have lived in India for generations, bringing us their amazing cuisine. Chinese Bhel is now also insanely popular, and what I love about it is it's a combination of fresh vegetables together with deep fried noodles. It makes a great tea time snack. Now my mouth is already watering, but before we go any further, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about are the crispy noodles that are key in this dish. The noodles you're going to choose are actually going to play a big part in the overall flavor. If you can find these steam fried noodles, they come ready packaged and they save you a lot of time. If you can find the Thai brand noodles Mama, they actually can be eaten raw and they have a ramen-like appearance. If all you can find are these chow mein noodles, these are pretty much available everywhere. You need to cook them, dry them completely, and then you need to deep fry them. Or if you can get your hands on fresh noodles like these wonton noodles, you can just deep fry them and use them. This Chinese Bhel is a great way to get fresh ingredients together for a snack. I'm going to start with 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and I'm going to add 1 cup of julienne of carrots. Now some people like to grate their carrots, but I find that it lets out a lot of water, so I prefer to just julienne my carrots instead. I'm also going to add a cup of bean sprouts, and I've got about 2 cups here of thinly sliced peppers. I'm using a combination of red, green, yellow, but you can use any type that's available to you. I'm also going to add a couple of spring onions that I've sliced. This is roughly about a 1/4 cup. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped coriander. I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of ketchup, followed by a 1/2 cup of Chinese chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce. Now you can add more chili sauce to ketchup if you like it a bit more spicy, and the brand of chili sauce that you use is also going to determine the taste. Pick a nice Indo Chinese chili sauce. I'm going to mix this together really well with the veggies, and once this is well incorporated, I'm going to add about 6 ounces of these pre-cooked noodles, and I'm going to toss this in to coat. Now you need to serve this immediately, as the noodles get too soft if it's sitting for too long. I like to add the noodles only just before serving. Now here's a little tip: if you have leftover Chinese Bhel that's gone soft, just heat up a wok and saute the mixture till the noodles and veggies are stir-fried. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this super delicious recipe for Chinese Bhel. This is great at tea time or any time, and everyone's gonna love it. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, guys. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I really hope to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help me get there. And also follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care. Bye.